Have you ever wondered what might be lost if you don't use design thinking in your business? Imagine the dreams and hard work that might go unnoticed, the connection with your customers that might never be made. How would that feel? I know, because I was in your shoes. Let me be clear. The risk of moving forwards without design thinking means building something that people don't need because it is based on your own assumptions rather than real user insights. Without design thinking, even the most promising ideas might struggle to find its place in the market. But no worries, I'm always here to make navigating these business methodologies easy and simple for you. IBM, Tesla, Netflix, and Google have been significant advocates of design thinking. So what is design thinking and how can you apply it in the real world? Let me tell you a story that explains everything about design thinking. It is short and full of information, so keep watching. Sam had an amazing business idea, a new app to connect local farmers with urban consumers, but he didn't know how to start turning this idea into a real business. Sam felt overwhelmed. He had the idea but didn't know how to develop it, what features to include, or how to reach his customers. The task seemed too big, and he didn't know where to begin. This uncertainty made Sam doubt his idea. He worried it might never become a reality. He needed a way to organize his thoughts and take the first step. Sam remembered reading about design thinking and its creative way of solving problems by understanding what people need, thinking of new ideas and testing them to see what works best. Sam decided to use design thinking to turn his business idea into reality. And here is how he did it. He started by talking to local farmers and potential customers to understand their needs and challenges. From these conversations, Sam defined the key problem his app needed to solve, making local products easily accessible to urban consumers. He brainstormed features for the app, like a delivery system, payment options, and a way for consumers to learn about the farmers. Sam created a basic version of the app and shared it with a few users to get feedbacks, adjusting features to better meet users' needs. Sam turned his idea into a successful app. He learned that any big idea can become a reality with the right approach, understanding needs, defining problems, brainstorming solutions, prototyping, and testing. People loved Sam's app, buying fresh products, and farmers were very happy to reach new consumers. Wait, this is not the end. An unexpected turn of events happened. A problem hit Sam's business and he was frustrated. A big company launched a similar app. It had many fancy features. Sam worried his app would lose users. He needed to improve his app quickly to keep up. Sam held a design sprint, a quick 5 days process to develop and test new ideas. And here is how he did it. Sam and his team looked closely at the new app and their own. They talked about what made the other app good and what their users really needed. They all thought of new ideas and drew them out. Some were about making the app faster, and others added cool new features. They looked at all the sketches and picked the best ideas. They chose ones that would make their app unique and provide a better service to their customers. They quickly built a simple version of their new app. It wasn't perfect, but it showed their new ideas in action. Sam showed their new version to some users and watched what they liked and what they didn't like. With the design sprint, Sam's app evolved quickly. It got unique features that users loved, and that is how Sam outsmarted the big company. Remember, Sam isn't just a character in the story. He could be you. Whether you have a big business idea and you are struggling to bring it to life, or you are dealing with a challenging situation in your current business, the principles of design thinking and design sprints can help you. For successful design thinking workshops, engage diverse teams from different backgrounds, and most importantly, hold sessions regularly, like once a month. This will keep ideas fresh. Regular design sprint, like every quarter, will keep your product competitive. Comment below about your experiences with design thinking. How did it unfold? What parts did you find challenging? Now I have a gift for you. Look into the pinned comment and you will find a link where you can get the Design Thinking Toolkit, some important maps and canvas that I use. Click the link, enter your email, and you will receive the toolkit in your inbox. Also, don't forget to subscribe only if you like such content. If you do, don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I upload new videos, you get notified. Now, there is a video up there. Go watch it. If you liked this video, I am sure you will like this video up there. Go and watch it now. Have a good business.